Hello everyone, my name is Aluminum Plate Dishwasher. First of all, thank you to Big Brother Tai Jiapen for giving me more room for improvement. I have inherited the advantages of iron clip dust removal, and also made up for the shortcomings. The ordinary iron dishwasher usually cleans by pressing against the abdomen. There is a danger of poking oneself when encountering obstacles. In order to change this dangerous phenomenon, extended aluminum rod when pressing down to push dust, accidentally hitting obstacles. I will instinctively bounce upwards, not easy to hunt, safe for you and me. Iron clip dust pushes seniors to work in a dusty environment, although it has brought cleanliness to everyone. The image of oneself exhausted, always unsatisfactory in high-end occasion. I now possess the indestructible body of king. A dusty day, after getting good, wipe it with a towel to make it shiny as new. Facing various occasions, I will always present it to everyone with dignity. Next, let's take a look at the ragged predecessors. Shade cleaning after each work completion will exacerbate the wear of the dust cover. The dust cover canvas is either punctured or washed out by the iron clip. Look at me, the back patch design, high temperature resistance, and machine washing resistance. I use 3 old dust covers on top of each one. The time of a cleaner is precious. Cumbersome bowing and tying straps. Not only is it a waste of time, but also the waste muscle strain of the liquid cleaner. Oh my goodness, look at how exhausted I write. After all, cleaners are relatively older in age. Simple and fast replacement of dust cover not only does it improve efficiency, but it also brings greater dignity. The horsepower of our predecessors is high. People with OCD can't stand hearing this sound. Quiet. I quietly finish my work. That's such a wonderful thing. Product name: aluminum plate dishwasher. Usage: cleaning tiles, wooden floors, marble, PVC, and other for dust removal work. Specification: total height 160 centimeters, aluminum plate 90 centimeters. Color: the handle is divided into red, yellow, blue, green, and gray. Aluminum plates are divided into blue and gray. Features: the iron frame to steel plate is upgraded. The quick connect rod can connect 4 series of quick connect products. The anti-collision cloth on both sides is embedded with copper nuts. Aluminum plate universal joint shaft with built-in spring design. More convenient disassembly. Mopping the floor without firming, making disassembly more convenient. More superior dust removal effect by mopping the floor.
Elerein, welcome to become a full cleaning expert with us.